Get ready with me for work with what I have in my closet. It's Friday night. It's Friday. It's Friday. Ah, I just want to rest for the weekend. So yeah, I have my basic layer all black. It's still very cold outside. Today they say that the weather is going to be really, really bad when it comes to the snow. So I just pray that it happens when I'm back home. When I'm back home from work, then it can snow. I don't really care. Because I'm not going anywhere. After work, I'm not going anywhere. So I have this dress. It's like a dress and it's very, very warm. It doesn't have a hoodie. I got this one from Salando a while ago. Really, really nice. I love it. So I'm gonna put this one on. I have two leggings, two panties, very, very thick, very warm, and I have this black bodysuit as a basic layer. It's pretty hot. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear this dress I got from Zalando. I'm so happy it's Friday. At least your girl can rest. And it's I've done my best with this weather. This weather is really not motivating. You don't feel like doing anything. All you want to do is eat and sleep. But yeah, I have no choice. I have to work. I have to work. I have to work. It is so beautiful. So yeah, this is okay. I love it. Really, really nice. Beautiful. I'm gonna wear my boots. These boots have served me this week, and I'm extremely grateful for that because this boot has really saved my life this week. Yesterday too, I almost fell down, but luckily I didn't fall down. I almost, but I didn't. So I was really happy for that. Oh, yeah, I like this look. I just like the color of this dress. It's really, really nice. I love the color. I love colors like this. Neutral colors, beautiful, warm, like really, really nice. I just wish I had a hoodie like the one yesterday. With the hoodie was really, really comfortable to work with. But yeah, okay. It's really warm there, so there will be no problem. And it's Friday. I'm extremely motivated today to go to work just because I know it's Friday. So I am motivated because I know after work I'm free. It is weekend. After work, it is weekend. I can sleep. I don't have to think of work at least for the next 2 days. Yeah. Oh. Do you feel like this is the outfit look? What do you guys think? This is the outfit look for the day. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. I'm so proud of myself also for keeping up with this challenge. It's not an easy thing, but I'm really proud of myself that I keep on and I stick to my word and that I'm really proud, of that. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys next week, Monday, with get ready with me for work with what I have in my closet. But definitely, I'm going to try my best to pull out other videos. Um, if I do have time, Sunday when I'm going to church, I'll show you guys another outfit look of church. Is different. It's like church outfit, home outfit is different. When I'm home, I just have like a sweatband, a two-piece sweatband. Actually, when I'm back from work, I change. I don't wear this the whole day at home. When I'm back from work, I take hot shower and I change this and I wear like a home. I have a home clothes. I have clothes I wear at home, and I have clothes I wear to go outside, and I have clothes that I wear for church and when I want to do other things where I'm doing makeup. I want to look extremely glam. I want to look cute. I do have outfits for that. So yeah, if you come from an African home, you already know you don't wear the same clothes all the time. So you have home clothes, clothes for outside, and clothes for special occasion. So when I'm home, I just have like a three-piece. I think it's a set. I only have three of them. It's a set that I bought from AliExpress. It's sweatpants and it's a set. So I have three colors: brown, gray, and creamy. So I rotate those two. When I'm back home, I just wear those. I wear it and I change. Take this one out. If I need to wash it, I wash it. If I need to just allow it to breathe and then maybe wear it again, that's what I do. But yeah, if you're from an African home, you already know that. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Simple as bye.